What are you doing?
Planting.
What are you planting?
Rape.
God. Don't say rape on YouTube. Otherwise known as...
Canola. In Canada.
Oh, that's it?
Yep.
You're not going to tell the people why we're planting rape? Or canola?
Hopefully improve the soil with the root depth.
Jim approves.
Yeah.
All right, have fun. Listen, are you even married if you don't wear your husband's shoes? Oh. Mine were not nearby, and he needed me to open the gate right now. You have two choices. You can have the gate open promptly, or you can have your shoes all to yourself. I hope this thing can fit through this gate. So we have already planted what we wanted to plant, which I'll show you. We just have a little bit of seed left, and otherwise it will go to waste, and we have to return this no-till drill to the county. And so we just decided that we would seed the leftover here in this paddock. This is our area that we bring all the sheep during the winter time. And so this is their forage during the winter time. And they have that little shade right there. That's the goat playground. And then they have this little pen, this first bay in the shed here. And these are all feeders, so we can feed them. And they've got a little area in the back here. So this is mostly weeds. There's not really much growing in here that we planted on purpose. So that's kind of the goal, is to get this a little bit more purposeful, with the knowledge that the sheep will probably end up destroying it sooner rather than later. Poor Jim, he's hungry. But so there, up on our hayfield, there's a kitty cat. Hi, kitty cat. Catching me mice. So right there in our hayfield is a 1 acre test plot. We are planting canola there, hopefully to improve the soil. Now in this front field, we have had a lot of weeds. So we mowed everything really short, and then he planted this as well. with the canola, as well as it's called a Ray's Crazy Mix, and it's their fall mix. And I can maybe put on the screen what all is in it, but it's got clover and it's got turnips and radishes, vetch, gosh, I can't remember what else, but it is also for soil improvement. It's the titter. And that's our tractor right there. It's so tiny compared to that big old one we borrowed from Denton. So our neighbor that helps us with hay let us borrow his big 1056, which was so generous of him to pull that no-till drill, because otherwise that tractor would not have done it. That tractor, poor thing, bless its heart, can't get out of its own way. That tractor is pretty, but it doesn't belong to us, and neither does that no-till drill. So here in our county, we can rent that. We can rent that no-till drill. They have two that they lease out during planting times. And that just allows people like us who can't afford to purchase a no-till drill to be able to plant their seed when they need to. So that's not necessarily something that we do often. It's not really worth purchasing that piece of equipment for. So yeah, so we don't. We just borrow it. Oh, you can really see my messy shed there in the back. Look at that. Gotta clean that up soon.